Welcome to Raveum, your gateway to global real estate investing. In today's explainer, we are breaking down a massive shift happening in U.S. real estate, all so you can make smarter, data-driven investment decisions. You see, an asset class that was once guarded by this, invisible wall, well, it's finally opening its doors. So let's get started and walk right on through.
And this quote just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? For decades, the best real estate deals, we're talking about those stable, income-generating properties, they were all happening inside this private, exclusive club. If your name wasn't on the list, you just weren't getting in. Simple as that.
And that right there is the big question we're tackling today. Because all those barriers that defined the old way of doing things, well, they're starting to crumble. And it's creating this incredible new opportunity for investors all over the world. So here's what we've got lined up. First, we'll look at that old wall and see why it was so high. Then we'll see how technology is just smashing right through it. We're going to define what institutional grade actually means, break down a real-world deal, and then we'll look at why this is such a game changer for global investors. And we'll wrap it all up with one key takeaway. All right, let's dive right in. To really get how big of a deal this is, we first have to understand just how massive that old wall around institutional real estate really was. So it really boiled down to three huge roadblocks. First, the money. You needed a ticket of at least $100,000, but honestly, it was usually millions just to get a seat at the table. Second was access. The best deals, they never even saw the light of day on the open market. They were just passed around a small circle of insiders. And third, the sheer complexity. Especially if you were an international investor, trying to figure out the legal and tax stuff was basically a full-time job. So how in the world is this giant wall finally coming down? Well, the answer, in one word, is technology. It's the battering ram that's creating a whole new gateway for investors, no matter where you are. And check out this contrast. It really lays it all out. The old model, you're talking about huge minimums, closed-off networks, and things being super complex. The new model couldn't be more different. It's built on this idea of fractional ownership, so you can buy a piece of a huge asset. It goes from confusing and opaque to totally transparent, structured deals that you can get into digitally. Literally right from an app. Okay, so we've got it. Access is here. But access to what exactly? This is so important. We need to define what institutional grade really is. Because let's be clear, this is not about speculating on some fixer-upper. Here's the heart of it. We're talking about top-tier, stable properties that are already making money. Think about the kind of assets that huge private equity firms go after. Properties in solid markets with tons of tenants and managed by pros who really know what they're doing. The pros have this super strict filter they run every single deal through. They look at the health of the market, things like job growth. They insist on high occupancy rates to make sure the cash keeps flowing. They only partner with experienced operators, what we call sponsors. And every single deal is built on clear return numbers. And this is key. It's been stress tested for what-if scenarios. And take a look at this number, 95% plus. This is that filter in action. In really strong markets, the kind of properties we're talking about often stay this full. That's not just a number on a page, it's the foundation of stability, predictable income, and way lower risk. Okay, that's enough of the high-level stuff. Let's make this real. Let's walk through an actual deal and see how all these pieces fit together in a live investment. So let me introduce you to the Harvest Moon Apartments. It's a 75-unit Class A building located in a major economic hub in Texas. Now get this, it was built in 2021, and it's already at nearly 99% occupancy. See, this isn't some risky construction project. It's a stable, high-performing asset right from day one. All right, let's talk numbers. First up, a projected internal rate of return, or IRR, of over 20%. Just think of this as the main engine measuring the total profitability of the investment over its entire life. And then you've got the average annual yield coming in at a projected 11.8%. This number is all about the cash flow, the income from rent that the property is expected to kick off for investors every single year. This is your passive income. And finally, we have the projected equity multiple, 2.5x over 5 years. So what does that mean? Well, put simply, for every dollar you invest, the plan is to get $2.50 back in total over the lifetime of the deal. And the strategy making these numbers possible, it's actually really smart and straightforward. You start with a building that's already full and making money. You make a few simple, low-risk upgrades to bump up the rental income, you lock in good financing to boost your cash flow, and you do it all in a market that's got a ton of economic growth. Now, this right here is so important. These institutional deals get rigorously stress tested. So you can see here, even if rent growth slows down, or if occupancy takes the dip, or maybe the market's a bit weaker when it's time to sell, the projected returns are still really strong. That's the kind of built-in protection the pros always look for.
Okay, let's zoom back out for a second and talk about why this whole shift is such a massive deal, especially for those of you who are investing from outside of the US.
For a global investor, this unlocks 4 huge advantages. First, you're earning income in US dollars, which can be a great hedge against your local currency losing value. Second, you get to diversify your portfolio outside of your home country. And finally, you get to do all of this inside the well-structured, regulated framework of the US system.
And you might be wondering, is this all above board? Absolutely. This is all made possible by established legal pathways. For our investors in India, for instance, the RBI's Liberalized Remittance Scheme, or LRS, is the official, fully compliant way to invest in overseas assets just like U.S. real estate.
Whew, we have covered a lot. The old problems, the new tech solution, a real-world deal. So after all that, what is the single most important idea to take away from this?
It all comes down to this one thought. The biggest barrier, it used to be money. It used to be capital. But now that technology has leveled the playing field, that's not the main hurdle anymore. The real gap today isn't about capital. It's about having access and then choosing to take action.
This massive shift has put these institutional-grade opportunities right into your hands in a way that would have sounded like science fiction just a few years ago. So the question is no longer if you can get into this market. The only question that's left is, what are you going to do with that access?